In this video, we'll be talking about percentages and ratios. Now, a percentage is a fraction whose denominator is 100. We use the percentage symbol to represent a percentage. Example, 30 over 100 is actually 10%. That means out of 100, you have 30. Now, if we are to convert a fraction that is not a denominator of 100, we just have to multiply the fraction by 100 to get the percentage. Now, for instance, half as a percentage is 50%. Half multiplied by 100, 100 divided by 2, and that is 50%. Let's look at another example. 4 over 10 is a fraction that is not expressed in terms of 100. How are we going to convert that as a percentage? We simply have to multiply it by 100. Therefore, we get 100 divided by 10 is 10. 10 multiplied by 4 is 40%. Similarly, we can convert any fraction of which the denominator is not 100 into a percentage by multiplying that particular fraction by 100. Now let's see how we can convert decimals into percentages. Here we have two decimals, 0.25 and 0.50. How are we going to convert these decimals into percentages? We simply have to multiply this by 100. If we multiply 0.25 by 100, we get 25, and that is 25%. 0.5 multiplied by 100 is 50%. Therefore, any decimal can be expressed as a percentage just by multiplying 100. Now, how are we going to find the percentage change? In order to find the percentage change, we use this formula. Percentage change equals to change divided by original value multiplied by 100. That is to say, new value minus original value divided by original value into 100. If the change is positive, then there has been an increase in the measured quantity. However, if the change is negative, there has been a decrease in the quantity. Now let's look at an example. Let's say price of an apple. Price of an apple has increased from $10 to $15. We are required to calculate change in price. We are required to calculate percentage change in price. We can use the formula we explained earlier. Change in price equals to new price minus old price divided by the old price. Therefore, we get 5 over 10. Now, the percentage change is calculated as 5 over 10 into 100, that is 50%. Well, that was about calculating the change in price and percentage change. Now let's look at how we can deal with ratios. A ratio is simply an alternative way of expressing fractions. For instance, let's say divide 100 in the ratio of 2 is to 8. Now in this instance, we can write these fractions are 10 over 2 into 100 is to 10 over 8 into 100, because 2 plus 8 is 10. So we are required to find the part of 100 related to 2 out of 10. Similarly, find the part of 8 over 10 from 100. Therefore, we get 20 is to 8. 10 divided by 100 is 10. 10 into 2 is 20. 10 divided by 100 is 10. 10 into 8 is 80. Now, if I express this algebraically, if the ratio is given as x is to y, the total number of parts are x plus y. Therefore, portion of x is x over x plus y is to y over x plus y. Now let's look at how we can elaborate equivalent ratios. The ratio we found earlier, 2 into 8, can be multiplied by same number. Let's say I multiply this by 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 8 is 16. Now these are equivalent ratios. To find the equivalent ratios, I can either multiply a ratio by same number, or I can divide the ratio by the same number. Therefore, we get equivalent ratios. Let's look at another example. 5 is to 4 is equal to, let's say I multiply this by 5, 25 is to 20. Similarly, if I say 3 is to 6 is equal to, if we divide by 3, we get 1 is to 2. Well, that was about ratios, percentages, and fractions. If you like the video, do hit the like button and also subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.